Okay, hi everyone. I had a question asked me recently, coming out of a general channel, and basically it was about how does Notion work. I think at the time we were trying to access the project management Notion, but of course Notion has a few sort of strange quirks about it. It's every piece of software kind of works in its own way. So this is a quick demo, and I am going to just explain the sort of hierarchical nature shown here. Basically, every page can have another page embedded within it. That means that Notion offers endless levels of embedding. So this is a particular page, Bankless Africa meeting notes. Within that, there's a whole set of notes, from various meetings going back into 2021 and beyond. So I don't have edit access on this page, so it's view only. It is entirely possible to put a website together using Notion and not needing website hosting. That's a useful thing if folk want to kind of tell people that this is what I'm doing, but want to try to reduce on costs. So let me show you the level above this. So then we click on that. It should, once my screen turns over, which is taking a little while. Sorry about the delay. So that shows you that it shows you the object, but within the sort of the higher level. So beforehand, if we click on this, you notice the cursor turns into a hand. Clicking on that means you go to that next level down. But in this instance, it's basically showing you the contents also of the next level down. So you'll see there's another level above, which is called Bankless Africa. Notice at the top level, you've got something called Bankless DAO. Okay, that's the whole of the DAO. Also notice these three buttons. I'll click on that. Sorry, my machine's being very slow. So you've got Bankless DAO Operations Guild. You've got Notion Administration, because people basically need to apply edit capability from time to time. There's Bankless Global. So if I just click on this, I wonder what the next level up is. So I'll click on here, just out of interest, because I don't know which the next level up is. So Bankless Africa at the moment in Notion terms is operating under the Bankless Global label. So I also want to very quickly come over here. You can see what's shared. If we click on the display lower levels button, it should show you. I'm sorry, my machine's being so slow. Actually, interesting on Bankless Africa, there's a heck of a lot of stuff here, including start here, so that's always very good. My machine's just being astonishingly slow. Sorry, I don't know why. Hopefully I'll get this done before the end of the presentation. I'm just going to move this across a bit. I've got a minute left. This is going so slowly. This is technology for you. The best laid plans of mice and men. And when the technology goes wrong, forget it. So what we want to do in Bankless DAO is to be able to negotiate. What have I got left? 2 minutes, a minute still. What we want to do is navigate to the guild that we're looking for. I'm not going to have time in this demo, but I do want to show you something else. When we open a new page or a new tab in our browser, I may have to retire for my machine. So let me just say it. I'll say it in case you can't see it. But you open a new tab, you put in notion.so, which is the website top level name, and Notion says, do you know what? I remember where you were before. I'm going to take you there. That's great, fine, but sometimes that can be irritating because you think, I didn't want Research Guild, I wanted Project Management Guild. So just to let you know, Notion can be a bit funny. Do beware, but there are means of navigation.